You don't like the water, huh, Spot? Now jump on Hunter.
Oh, she wants to go farther. Why don't you walk out that farther? I'm on Sharp Rock right now. Oh, it's okay, like right here.
Look at Spot, he sat down.
What?
Spot sat down.
Hey, look what Spot's at. Move so Betty and Deanna. Hey, Deanna, look. Spot sit down. Betty! Betty! Look, Spot sit. I'm backwards. I'm backwards. Want me to walk out here farther with you?
Don't let her pull you down.
Ow, wait. Right, ow. I bet wants to go farther.
She wants to swim.
I was going to let you go. We're going to keep going.
Yeah, I'd have to come back.
Oh, there, rock. That's better.
Move the rock.
Yeah.
I guess we'll have to take you to the creek, girl. We can take you to the creek, can't we? Is your phone in your pocket? You better be careful.
What?
Is your phone in your pocket?
Oh.
There she goes. Now she's swimming. She likes that.
Try to pick up that rock by that, huh?
Yeah, say these rocks are too big for me to carry.
Yeah.
Say these rocks are too big for me to carry. See, there she goes swimming. She's loving it.
Hey, Betty, look at this.
She's doing the dog paddle. Oh, she's so good. She is such a good dog. Oh my, Hunter.
Where you going?
Say, I'm out of here. I'm not sound like this stuff.